How do you see the role of AI evolving in measurement and analytics?
There is a good way and a wrong way of using AI. So let's kill the hype first. AI can't think for you. AI is not creative. It doesn't think. Apple has recently issued a research paper on that. So the idea that AI will do the job for you is completely incorrect. It's actually, as a coder, I can see those LM modem are really bad at coding. And what I do see too is that the companies who have tried AI SDR are now rolling back to human. And so this is definitely not an area where I see AI being able to do that kind of job in the near term soon, because we have to rethink the way of why we're looking at AI, which is today Gen AI, which is large language models. Now, there is one way you can leverage AI very well is being able to dive into a lot of data. So for example, qualitative research now has been way easier now with Gen AI than it used to, because you can just drop the entire document into a Gen AI and ask for specific questions and insight within that document. That wasn't possible to do before. And so that's where I think AI can be very helpful.